Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best robot vacuum for high pile carpet you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many robot vacuum for high pile carpet and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each robot vacuum for high pile carpet so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a robot vacuum for high pile carpet. The first thing to look for is strong suction power, as thick carpets need deeper cleaning to remove dirt and debris trapped in the fibers. Next, choose a model with adjustable brush height or carpet boost technology so it can move smoothly and clean effectively without getting stuck. Battery life is also important because high pile carpets create more resistance and need longer cleaning time. Ensure the vacuum has large wheels for better traction and navigation over thicker surfaces. Finally, check if it has smart mapping and obstacle detection to clean efficiently and avoid furniture or cords. By focusing on these features, you can find a robot vacuum that truly works for your carpet. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.